These viral miniature food preparation videos are getting insanely viral on social media right now, so don't make the mistake of missing this trend. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow for creating these videos, step by step, using absolutely free AI tools without wasting time. Here's what I made in less than 5 minutes. But before we start, subscribe to Unseen Prompts and share this video with your friends so you don't lose this method. So, to get started, copy the master prompt from the link in the description, go to Google Flow, select the video option, and set the video ratio to 9:16. Choose how many outputs you want. Set the video model to Omini Flash. Click on 10 seconds, then paste this master prompt. You can customize it by simply replacing the food with any dish you want. I am making a video on burger right now. Hit enter. Within a few seconds, your viral miniature food preparation videos is ready. Let's see the result together. I also made another video using the same method. So, now you know exactly how to create viral AI videos using just one simple prompt. All the links are available in the description and in the pinned comment. If you want to stay ahead of the crowd and discover viral AI niches before everyone else, make sure to subscribe to Unseen Prompts because I'm breaking down these viral AI strategies every single week. Drop a like if you learned something. I'll see you in the next one.